Fat loss rule number 10, meal prep. This one is super important, guys, and even more so if you've got a busy life. What meal prepping does is make eating the right meals easier than eating the wrong foods. We all know how it is when you're tired, stressed, and hungry. We want food fast and easy because we want it now. It doesn't make you a bad person, it's biology. But what we need to do is prepare in advance before you become a wild beast that's willing to eat its own young. What you need to do is write out your meals for the week, hit the grocery store, clear off the kitchen counter, and get to work. I highly recommend preparing 3 to 4 days worth of meals at a time. Plan all of this in advance. Block out time in your calendar for grocery shopping and meal prep. Maribel and I each work about 60 hours a week, so we're all about saving time. And when done properly, meal prepping can save you a ton of money too. Want a copy of our meal prep guide? Just click the link below. Do you want to go one step even further and save yourself up to 10 hours a week in grocery shopping, meal prep, and doing dishes? Then I highly recommend you find a prepared food service company like Done For You Meals. That's who Maribel and I started using recently in order to save ourselves even more time and make fat loss a complete no-brainer because they fit all of our fat loss meal plans. All you got to do is click the link below and find out more information about them.